Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with PayPal account using security key prompts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the authentication process with your PayPal account, visit the PayPal website or open the PayPal app on your device. Log into your PayPal account using your email address and password. Once logged in, navigate to the security settings section. Locate the option for two-factor authentication or security key prompts. If you haven't enabled this feature yet, you may need to set it up by following the on-screen instructions. For users who have already set this up, you will be prompted to enter your security key. Open your security key device or application to retrieve the current security code. Enter the code into the prompted field on the PayPal login screen. Be aware that this code is time-sensitive and must be entered quickly. If the code is accepted, you will gain access to your account. In case of an error or an incorrect code entry, you can request a new security code. Make sure your security key device is functioning properly to avoid further issues. It's important to keep your security key information secure and private. Once you've successfully authenticated, consider reviewing your overall account security settings. You may want to add backup authentication methods for future access. This can help ensure seamless access even if you encounter issues with your primary method. After making any necessary adjustments, you can continue using your PayPal account with added security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.